A foolproof, universal glaze recipe that elevates the taste of a wide range of baked goods from Bundt cakes and pound cakes to cinnamon rolls, sweet corns, quick breads, donuts, and just beyond. Just to let anyone know that it requires simple 4 ingredients and can be whipped up in under 5 minutes. Start with softened cream cheese, beating it until smooth and free of any lumps. Save yourself from extra dishwashing by directly saving half of your measured sugar onto the cream cheese. Give it a good mix, then pour in half of the measured cream and beat until well combined. While you can use milk as an alternative, using cream imparts a richer and superior taste to the glaze. Continue by repeating the process. Adding sugar this way ensures that it is dissolved completely with the cream cheese, giving a smooth and velvety texture. This was my number 1 requirement while creating a versatile glaze recipe. No gritty texture here, unlike the usual lemon icing. For a burst of flavor, incorporate vanilla extract at this stage. Check out our blog spicesandflavors.com for additional flavoring options that pair perfectly with this glaze recipe. Fine-tune the thickness according to your preference. To thicken, use less cream, and to thin it down, add more. And just like that, your glaze is ready to take your baked goods to the next level. I have generously glazed it on top of my pound cake. You can find the recipe for which by clicking on the screen now. That's it for this one. I'll see you soon in my next recipe. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.